नमामि शारदां देवी वीणा पुस्तकधारिणीं नमस्कारकरस्तुम्मि प्रसन्नास्तु स सदा. Hello students, we are on the seventh part of coordinate geometry, 10th standard SSC Maths 2. In last part we have proved some formulas, that is section formula, midpoint formula and centroid formula. Today we are going to start with our practice set 5.2. In that, first question is find the coordinate of point P if point P divide the line segment joining A and B in the ratio 2:3. So the thing is solution. See, we can draw a figure. This is AB and which divide the ratio in 2:3. So its value is 2, this is 3, 2:3. Now, coordinate of A is -1, 7, B is 4, -3. Let me check it once again. -1, 7 and 4, -3, ratio 2:3. Is it right? So, A is -1, 7 and B 4, -3. Let coordinate of point P be x, y and coordinate of point A be x1, y1 and that of point B be x2, y2. So x1 is equal to -1, y1 is equal to 7, x2 is equal to 4 and y2 is equal to -3. And P divide or point P divide segment AB in ratio 2:3. Therefore, M is to N is equal to 2:3. Now, what you are going to do is by section formula. By section formula, this is x, y, this is x2, y2, this one is x1, y1. By section formula, x is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n and y is equal to my2 ny1 upon m plus n. So, x is equal to m का वैल्यू है 2, x2 का वैल्यू है 4 प्लस n का वैल्यू है 3, x1 का वैल्यू है -1 अपॉन 2 plus 3 and y is equal to m का वैल्यू है 2, y2 का वैल्यू है -3 प्लस n की वैल्यू है 3 और y1 की वैल्यू है 7 अपॉन 2 plus 3. Therefore, x is equal to 8 -3 upon 5 and y is equal to -6 plus 21 upon 5. Therefore, x is equal to 5 upon 5, y is equal to 15 upon 5, x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 3. Correct? Therefore, what you can say that coordinate of point P is P minus what is that 1 and 3. This is the final answer for this question. Once again, see, this is a very simple question. Find the coordinate of point P. P, divide the line segment joining point A is -1,7 and B is 4 - 3 in ratio 2:3. So P divide the segment in ratio 2:3. A का coordinate है -1, 7, B का है 4, -3. Let the coordinate of point P be what? X, y. Coordinate of point A be x1, y1. Coordinate of point B is x2, y2. And after that, P divide the segment AB in ratio 2:3. M is 12 is to 2:3 by section formula. X is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon n plus n. And when I solve it, I got x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 3. Here you should take care of what? Plus minus sign. The coordinate of point P is 1, 3. So please do one thing. You go through it once again and copy down it properly. Okay, copy down. Friends, we are on the second question now. In this question, in each of the following example, find the coordinate of point A which divide the segment PQ in ratio A is to B. And they are given 3 examples, but you are not going to. They will not ask all the 3 questions, sub questions together. They'll ask one of it. So first of all, we'll draw the figure. What is in each of the examples? Find the coordinate of point A which divides segment PQ. So I will draw segment PQ and point A is dividing segment PQ in ratio A is to B. Is it right? And value of P, if you consider the first example, then P is -3, 7, Q is 1, -4, and here the value of A is 2 and B is what? 1. So what you are going to do is point P is nothing but what? -3, 7. Q is 1, -4. Let coordinate of point P be x1, y1. Q be point Q be x2, y2. Therefore, I can write x1 is equal to -7, y1 is equal to -3, y1 is equal to 7, x2 is equal to 1, and y2 is equal to -4. Is it right? Got it? Point A. Let coordinate of point A be x, y. Point A be x, y, and point A divide segment PQ in ratio 2:1. Therefore, A is to B is equal to 2:1. Have you understood now? Now, by section formula, x is equal to ax2 plus bx1 upon a plus b. देखो mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n होता है कि नहीं? यहाँ पे m की और n की जगह पे a और b आ गया. And your y will be ay2 plus by1 upon a plus b. Therefore, value of x is Value of A is 2. X2 is 1. And it is B. Value of B is 1. And X1 is minus 3 upon 2 plus 1. So what you are getting is X is equal to 2 minus 3 upon 3. So what you are getting is X is equal to minus 1 upon 3. And if you go for Y is equal to A is what? 2 into Y2 is minus 4 plus value of B is 1 into 7 upon 2 plus 1. Y is equal to minus 8 plus 7 upon 3. So Y is equal to minus 1 by 3. So this answer we got. Okay, put therefore sign properly. And last we are going to write. Therefore, coordinate of point A is minus 1 comma 3 and Y is also minus 1 comma 3 is the answer for the first question. Have you understood this now? Okay. So now we go for the second question. I think you do one thing, you pause the video over here and copy down this question properly. Okay? Now we are going for the second part of the question. Second, they have given, now we are going for this question. Value of P is minus 2, minus 5 and Q is 4 comma 3. Remaining thing is A is to B is A का value है 3 और B का value है 4. Here point P is nothing but minus 2 and minus 5 and Q का coordinates है 4 comma 3. Now let coordinate of point P be x1, y1 and point Q be x2, y2. Therefore, x1 is equal to minus 2, y1 is equal to minus 5, x2 is equal to 4 and y2 is equal to 3. See once again, x1 is equal to minus 2, y1 is equal to minus 5, x2 is equal to 4 and y2 is equal to 3. And point A divide segment PQ in ratio A is to 4. So A is to B is equal to 3 is to 4. Now we are going to write bisection formula. Bisection formula, and here you should write let coordinate. We can write over here also. Let coordinate of point A be x comma y. So x is equal to A x2 plus b x1 upon a plus b. Y is equal to a y2 plus b y1 upon a plus b. Therefore, x is equal to value of a is 3 and x2 is 4 plus 4 into minus 2 upon 3 plus 4. So x is equal to 12 minus 8 upon 7. So what you are getting is 12 minus 8 is 4 upon 7, and y is equal to value of a is 3 into x2 is 3 and plus b का value है 4 into y1 is minus 5 upon 3 plus 4. So y is equal to 9 minus 20 upon 7. So y is equal to minus 11 upon 7. Okay. So this is the final answer of it. Put therefore sign properly, and what you are going to write then? Therefore, coordinate of point A is 4, 7 and minus that you are going to put in a box, and that is your final answer for second question. See once again, value of P is minus 2, minus 5 and Q is 4, 3 and dividing ratio 3 is to 4. Point P is minus 2, minus 5. Q is 4, 3. Coordinate of P is we have taken x1, y1 and Q is x2, y2. x1 का वैल्यू है -2, y1 का वैल्यू -5, x2 का वैल्यू है 4, y2 का वैल्यू है 3. Point P divide segment PQ in ratio 3:4. A is to B is 3:4. Coordinate of point P be x, y. Bisection formula. What I can write then? ax2 plus by1 upon a plus b, and y is equal to, when I solve it, I got this answer. You take care of the sign. You should not make a silly mistake while taking plus minus का mistake मत करो. Otherwise this question is easy and we are going to apply the section formula. आराम से chapter ही बहुत easy है. Fantastic है if you know the formulas properly and concepts properly. Okay, please pause the video and copy down this question properly. Okay, now I'll go for the pause the video. Okay, correct. Point P का coordinate है 2, 6, Q का है -4, 1 and A is we are going to take x1. A की value है 1, B की value है 2. So this is the question number 3 का solution है ये. Point P के coordinate है 2, 6 and Q -4, 1. Got it? Let coordinate of point P be x1, y1 and Q be x2, y2. Okay. So x1 is equal to 2, y1 is equal to 6, x2 is equal to -4 and y2 is equal to 1. Let coordinate of point A be x, y and point A divide segment PQ in ratio 1:2. So A is to B is equal to 1:2. So what you are going to do by section formula. Bisection formula, x is equal to ax2 plus bx1 upon a plus b, and y is equal to ay2 plus by1 upon a plus b. Therefore, x is equal to value of a is 1, x2 is -4, b का value है 2 और x1 is 2 upon 1 plus 2. So x is equal to -4 plus 4 upon 3. तो x का वैल्यू आया 0 upon 3 और x is equal to 0. Okay? And y is equal to y, a का वैल्यू है 1, y2 का वैल्यू भी 1, b का वैल्यू है 2, इसका y1 का वैल्यू है 6 upon 1 plus 2, 1 plus we got 7 upon 2, y is equal to 8 upon 2, y is equal to, I made a mistake, 6 are 2 6 are 12, it will become 13 upon 2. So this is 13 upon 2. Therefore, this is your final answer. Okay? And 13 upon 3, sorry. Therefore, coordinate of point A is 0 and 13 upon 3 that you put in the box. And this you are going to study it once again. Once again, देखो point P का coordinate है 2,6, B का है -4,1 and ratio is 1:2. Point P is 2,6. Okay, 2,6. Q is -4,1. Let the coordinate of point P be x1, y1. Q का x2, y2. x1 का वैल्यू है 2, y1 का वैल्यू है 6, x2 का -4, y2 का 1. Let the coordinate of point A be x, y. A divide the segment PQ in ratio 1:2, A is to B is 1:2. Bisection formula, x is equal to, we got 0 and 13 upon 3. Please copy down it properly. Okay, got it now? तो इसे properly ध्यान देके पहला तो उसको study करो first and study the concept properly and copy down it properly. Okay. Question number 3. Find the ratio in which t minus 1,6 divide the line segment joining point P minus 3,10 and Q 6,3. Okay. 6, just wait. Find the ratio in which t 1,6 divide the line segment joining minus 3,10 and 6, -8. Okay, so we have to find out the ratio. Is it right? If t divide the line segment in ratio, so we'll draw a figure for it. Solution. We'll draw a figure. P, Q, and this is t. T is -1,6, P is minus, and Q is 6, -8, and ratio will take m:n. Okay, so we'll solve as we are solving. Don't worry for that. We'll get the answer easily for m:n. Is it right? So what we are going to do? Point P is -3,10 and Q is 6, -8. We are going to write let coordinate of point P be x1, y1 and point Q be x2, y2. So x1 is nothing but -3, y1 is equal to 10, x2 is equal to 6, y2 is equal to minus 8. And point T is minus 1 comma 6, correct? Let coordinate of point T be x comma y. So x का वैल्यू है -1 and y का वैल्यू है 6. Point T divide segment PQ in ratio m is to n. Okay, therefore bisection formula we have to find out value of ratio, that is m is to n का value कितना है वो पूछा है, right? It is. So what you are going to do is we are going to apply the section formula. Suppose we are going to apply the formula for x. X is equal to, we know that mx2 plus nx1 upon n plus n. x का वैल्यू हमारे पास है that is -1. m का वैल्यू मुझे पता नहीं है. x2 का वैल्यू है 6 और n का वैल्यू भी मुझे पता नहीं है, बट x1 का है -3 और यहाँ होगा n plus n. So therefore what I can write, -1 is equal to 6n minus 3n upon n plus n. So -1 into m plus n is equal to 6n minus 3n. So what you are getting is minus n is equal to 6m minus 3n. I will place similar terms together. Minus m minus 6m is equal to minus 3n plus n. So this becomes now minus 7n, and here we are getting minus 2n. So minus 7 into m is equal to minus 2 into n. So m upon n is equal to minus 2 upon minus 7. So what you got? 2 upon 7. So ratio in which point T divide segment PQ is 2:7. 2:7. Okay, got it now? No need to find out the value of y. Y is equal to करने की जरूरत नहीं, x से भी हमारा आंसर मिल जाता है. Okay, put therefore sign properly and see once again how to do it. T -1 comma 6 divide the line segment joining P and Q. They have given the value of coordinate of T, coordinate of P, coordinate of Q, and they are asked the ratio. Ratio मतलब हमें क्या पूछा है? m is to n पूछा है. Okay, the point P के लिए x1 y1 लिया, Q के लिए x2 y2 लिया. Point T is we have taken xy. So x का वैल्यू है -1, y का वैल्यू है 6, and -1 is equal to m. I don't know, but x2 is 6. n का वैल्यू is I don't know, but n का वैल्यू is -3 और यहाँ आएगा m plus n. तो 6m minus 3n is upon m plus n is equal to, now if I transfer, I am getting -m minus n, 6m minus 3n minus n minus 6n is equal to minus 3n plus n, minus 7n is equal to minus 2n, and what answer we got? M upon n. Yeah, m is to n is equal to 2:7, and then you're going to write that the last This is the answer. Okay, that answer is 2:7. I think, have you understood this properly? So, see once again. I think you have go through it properly, try to understand it, and yeah, ऐसे questions खुद करने का try करो. Okay, and you just compare with my answer. So, or you copy down it properly. Now, students, we are on the fourth question. P is the center of circle and segment AB is a diameter. Find the coordinate of point P if the coordinate of point A is -2, -3 and Q is -2, 0. They are not given the figure. I have drawn this circle and we know the diameter. Diameter is the chord which is passes throughout center of the circle. Suppose this is center P. This is diameter AB. Okay. So A का coordinates है 2, -3. B का है B नहीं, P का है -2, 0 and B they have asked you. Okay, got it now? So what you are going to do is point A. Point A is 2, -3. Okay, and like co-ordinate of point A B x1 y1 and point B B x2 y2. Okay, now what you are going to do is, now center of circle P is nothing but P is -2, 0. -2, 0. Let coordinate of point P be x, y. And we know that x is equal to -2 and y is equal to 0. As segment AB is diameter. See, they are given value of x1 is 2 and y1 is -3, but we don't have value of x2, y2. Okay, so coordinate of point P be x, y. X is equal to -2, y is equal to 0. Correct? Segment AB is a diameter of circle and P is center of circle. Therefore, point P is midpoint of segment AB. Correct ना? जितना AB जितना रहेगा R और R रहेगा, तो I can say that what P is the midpoint of segment AB. Therefore, by midpoint formula, x is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2, y is equal to y1 plus y2 upon 2. Therefore, x is equal to x1 is nothing but 2, x2 I don't know upon 2, but x का वैल्यू भी हमारे पास है -2. So we solve this part only. What level now? -2 into 2 is equal to 2 plus x2. -4 -2 is equal to x2, or x2 is equal to -6. And what about this now? So y is equal to y1. y1 we know y1 का वैल्यू है -3 और y का वैल्यू है 0. y1 का वैल्यू है -3, y2 को तो पता नहीं, अपॉन 2, तो 0 into 2 is equal to -3 plus y2. 0 is equal to -3 y2 or plus 3 is equal to y2. So what you got? y2 is equal to 3. Is it right? Therefore, x2 is equal to 6, ये तो मिल गया ना, x2 is equal to 6 and y2 is equal to 3. So these are the coordinate of point B. Therefore, coordinate of point B is -6, 3 is the answer for the coordinate of point B. Once again, see, P is the center of circle, segment AB is a diameter, and coordinate of point B, if coordinate of point A is 2, -3 and P is what, -2, 0. तो उन्होंने A का दिया है, P का दिया है, B का नहीं दिया है. तो हमने क्या किया, पॉइंट A के लिए लिखा 2, -3. लेट कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ पॉइंट A भी x1 y1, पॉइंट B इज x2 y2. पर हमारे पास x1 की वैल्यू है 2 और -3. सेंटर का क्या लेंगे, -2, 0. उसके कोऑर्डिनेट्स दिए x, y. तो x की वैल्यू है -2, y की वैल्यू है 0. सेगमेंट AB is a diameter of circle, therefore P is the center of circle. P is the midpoint of segment AB. So we are going to apply midpoint formula. We got the value as what, -6, and x2 की वैल्यू, y2 की वैल्यू मिल गई 3. So coordinate of point B is -3, 6. I think you have understood it properly. Please pause the video and copy down it. Now it is the 7th part. We are going to stop it here only. Okay, we'll continue in the next part. That is question number 5. We'll continue in the next part. Thank you, students.